table for Division 2. First catch ng Black. Pinasa kay number 16. 2 points. And first one migration. First basket of the ball game. JB. Pass to Efren. Efren goes inside. No good. Rebound by number 16. Reese. Reese on the drive. Basket's good again. The score is 4-0 in favor of first one migration. Rivera. Rivera inside. Basket's good. 2 points. 2 points, Rivera. Bonex harassed by Wiro. Bonex pass in the middle. Liam. Number 14 takes a 3. No. Rebound by Chris. Pass to Masigon. The poison. Bonex set a play. 11, 10 on the shot clock. Pass to Masigon. Fakes. Nebeya, no good. Number 12, dribble the ball. Moreno, dumidiskarte. Moreno inside. Foul number 14. First foul by number 14 on the first team foul. Basket's good. Okay, basket's good. The score is on 4. Bonex. Wow, crossover move, zigzagging move, drives inside, pass inside. Carbo 2 points. Efren, 2 points. Masigon! Wala! Pinagod! Wiro! Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Moreno. Moreno! Out of bounds. Out of bounds. 18 on the shot clock. Efren! No good. Power backs out by Bonex. Foul! Number 97, reaching foul. First foul on the first team foul. Bonex setting for a play. Guarded by JB. Pass to Masigon. Masigon. Pinasa kay number 16. Foul and 1. Number 18. Bonus shot. Oh, number 8, foul. Basket's good. The score is 9-6. Okay. Moreno. Pinasa kay JB, the sneaky one, pasok, 3 points! And that 3 points brought to you by the Penta Properties. Bonex, guarded by Wiro. Pass inside to Lee, 2 points ulit. Moreno, pass to Efren. No good. On by Carl. Pasadena. Carl. Wala. Nakakuha ni Masigon. Masigon. Score is 12-11. Among the po. Teka. 1x drive. Asidera. 1x foul. Number. Second ball. Good.
From that speaker, he's using a normal mic.
Number 4. Wala. Last touch by Yellow. Bonex. Sineset ulit ang play. Bonex. Muntik ng magaw. Pinasa kay Carl. Carl! Wala! Jump ball ang sabi ni Rep. Yellow ball, yellow ball, yellow. Yellow. Next is black. Moreno. Nagmamadali si Moreno. Moreno, foul. Bonex, foul number 31. First foul. On the second team foul. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Substitution, pag-shoot, Rep, pag-shoot. Substitution. More Masigon out. Nivea in. The score is 16-14. Lamang pa rin po ang first one migration. Bonex. Carl. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 12. Substitution. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Time in. Bonex. Pinasa. Kay Lance. Pinasa sa kapatid. Wala. Lay again. Power rebound. 2 points. Number 4. Wala kay Bani. Rebound by number 16. Liam. Oy. Foul. Number 23. 23 AJ. Penalty. No good. Efren for the rebound. Okay. Number 35, tinatala ang bola. Pinasa uli kay JB. Nilabas kasi kanina. Nag-init. JB. Pinasa kay Bunny. Wala. Maganda. JB. Fakes. JB. Wala. Rebound by 16 again. Uy. Si black ball. Last 1 minute and 37 seconds on the first quarter. Bonex. Pass to Liam. Same ball. 11 on the shot clock. Substitution. Substitution rep. (24) Guarded by Bunny. Pinasa kay Carl. Carl. Kanya uli. Uy, 2 points. What a reverse. 57 seconds on the first quarter. Bunny. Pass to Efren. Efren. Wala. Rebound by Lance. Pinasa sa kapatid. Liam. Muntik na mawala. Bola. Nakuha na. Bunny for 3. Wala. 35 seconds on the first quarter. Carl. Setting for a play. Pass to number 24. Pinasa ulit kay Carl. Pinasa kay 16. Powers move. Wala. Rebound by Efren. Efren. 11. Bunny. Nag-isa. 2 points. 4. 3. 2. Pasok. 3 points. Okay, black ball. Start of the second quarter. Number 24 dribbling the ball. Pass to Liam. Liam. Pass to number 24, Black. Foul for 3. No good. Rebound by Lance. Matira. Pass to Lance again. Takes a long 3. Bang! 3 points. That's a good start for the second quarter. Moreno. Foul. Basket's good. And 1. Who's foul ref? Number 50. Foul of Dart. First foul on the first team foul. Bonus shot. Basket's good ulit tayo. May foods po tayo sa side. Number 14, Sidera. Pass to Matira. Sidera again takes a long 3. Short. Rebound by number 35. Substitution. Substitution. To all friends and family of Fibao, meron po tayong food sa side dito on the right-hand side of the court. Court 4, right-hand side. You can enjoy all the foods that we have. Number 4, 24, Matura. Pass to number 14. 14, pass inside. Intercepted. Oh no, nawala ang bola. Bonex, guarded by out of bounds. Yellow ball. Moreno, guarded by number 24. Moreno, 2 points. Technical foul. Technical foul by Moreno. Disrespectful foul. Shouting on the court. Third personal foul. And first technical foul by Moreno. Body shot, good. Third personal foul. Nahabol na ang dilaw pero na-technical si Moreno. Number 5. Pass to Maturak. Pinasa kay Bonex out of bounds. 12 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. 14. Number 5, nawala ang bola. Kinuha ni Gonzalez. Pinasa kay Moreno. Moreno ulit. Wow, what a pass by Moreno. 2 points by number 35. Substitution rep. Substitution. Lance out, Manzano out. Rivera in. The score is 28-23 in favor of first one. Matura. Pass to number 5. Pass to Bonex. Bonex. Pass to 24. Bonex. Nice. Nice guard. Uy. Moreno ulit ang bola. Moreno. Spin. Pinasa. Number 8. Wala. Bonex. Sabi ni Carl, saglit lang. Bonex. Inatake. Uy! Number 5. Pinasa ulit kay Bonex. 12 on the shot clock. Number 16. Substitution. Moreno out. Gonzalez out. Wiro and JB in. 7 on the shot clock. Number 5 takes a long 3. No. Bonex. Nagdadala ng bola. Bonex, zigzagging move. Bonex, foul, and 1. Foul by number 86, JB. Bonus shot tayo, bonus shot. Welcome Di Guzman family, Boss Jason Di Guzman. Enjoy the food. Basket scoot tayo. Wiro. Guarded by 24, naagawan. Tuloy na naagawan si Wiro. Matira. 2 points. 35. Pinasa kay Wiro. Guarded by Matira. Pinasa kay Dibera. Naagawan. Nakuha ni Bonex. Zigzagging move. Bonex ulit. Behind. Oy! Napakaganda naman yun! Time out, ref! Time out! Yellow! Bani nagmamadali. Mabilis umaksyon. Rivera again. Spin move. Pinasa kay Bani. 16 on the shot clock. Moreno! Foul! Number 50 of Dark. Substitution. Number 50, second personal foul. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Number 50. 5-0. Lumabas. Si Chris ba? Chris. Sabi mo 5-0. Number 16, sorry, Carl. Chris. Ganto eh. Shoot. Okay. Substitution. Next ball. Next. Substitution. Okay, score natin. 35-24. Welcome Basam. Napakasarap ng balut ni Basam. Basam, very serious. Number 5. Pinasa kay number 55. Bonex. Bonex. Pinasa inside. Lance. Nakuha ni Moreno ang bola. Moreno nagmamadali. Moreno. Foul ang nauna. Down. Foul number 31. Bonex. Second personal foul on the third team foul.
Nakuha ni 431. Pasang kay number 10, balik kay number 64. 431 again, kaya number Mason.
Moreno, guarded by Perez. Foul! By number 55, Perez, reaching foul. Warning for penalty.
Substitution! Oy, substitution!
Yan na uli.
Penalty situation.
Perez, nawala ang bola. Pinasa kay number 5, naghintay. Lance! Wala! Tinabek ni JB. Bunny, pinasa kay JB. The sneaky move. Moreno ulit. Moreno! Dinaan sa changing phase. 2 points by Moreno. Bonex. Guarded by JB. Sundutan. Tuluyang nakuha ni JB. JB nag... Uy. Penalty. Penalty tayo, ref. Penalty.
Corner pass, wala.
Foul. Who's ref? Penalty tayo. Who's foul? Who's foul, ref? Bonex. Liam. 20. Liam. 20. Lance. JB, pasok!
3-5. Aaron. 6-7.
Salah! The score is 35-27! Second personal foul by Bonex yan. Okay. Lakin tayo. Wiro. Pass to JB. JB. Pasok yan! JB. 2 points. First basket of the third quarter. Masigon. The poison. Guarded by Bunny. Bonex. 10 on the shot clock. Asidera. Foul. Number 8. Foul by number 8.
Yes, pili na. Pili ka. T-shirt.
Number 8. Number 8 of yellow. Second personal foul on the first team foul. No good. First basket. Second throw tayo. Second throw. Walang nag-iingay sa kabila. Wala pang paturotot dyan. Asa kaya ang turotot ng kabilang team? Second throw, wala. Rebound by number 8. Kabilang. Wiro, guarded by foul by Basigon. Body contact. Basigon, foul, number 97. Rivera! Basket good!
20.
Lance, number 20, foul! Second personal foul of Lance. Dumidikit ang laban. 35-31. Ganyan ang finals. Pasok ulit, pasok! The score is 35-32. Bonex. Wala nag-cheer. Hindi ang maingay dito sa team na to. Foul! JB. Foul by JB. 86 foul. Second personal foul by JB. Pasok, unang tira. Bas, I love your balut, Bas. Second throw, wala. Rebound by 86, JB. JB, hindi nakita si Wiro. Pinasa kay Bunny. Bunny nagdi-dribble. Pinapataas si Wiro. Wiro, the captain. Guarded by Masigon. Wiro, pinasa kay De Vera. Pasok! 2 points! Okay, warning number 20, flopping foul, okay? Warning for technical, number 20. Warning. 14. 14, sorry. Bonex. Pass to Masigon, the poison! Pasok! The poison, for 3! Napakalupit ng tira na yun. Oh. De Vera again. Wow, 2 points! Welcome! Paris Hill, sponsor natin dyan. Bonex, wow! Nakakuha ni De Vera, nagmamadali. De Vera uli, muntik na masundutan. Oy! Okay. Tatlo lang ang lamang niyan, ha? Tatlo. Napakaganda ng laban natin. Pati sa kabila, 29-28. Lance, tumira. Wala, binigay kay Carl inside. Uy, travel. Traveling violation. Pati announcer, napapatravel na.
And there's a foul.
Wiro, umangat daw ang isa. Nahingi na yung screen si Wiro. Wiro, pinasa kay JB. JB, the sneaky move. JB, pinasa kay De Vera. Pasok! And one. Kaya niya. 20 yan na. 20. Last 20 foul. 20, third personal foul. Number 20, third personal foul. Ayos! Tabla po ang laban, napakainit. Bonex. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Bonex? Bonex? Gusto pumasok. Uy! Nawala ang bola kay Masigon. Wiro. Nasa momentum ang yellow natin. Natapikan. Advantage foul by Wiro. Number 6, Wiro foul.
All right, number 68.
Okay. Last 5 and 40 seconds on the third quarter. Tabla po ang laban natin. Carl. Using the glass. 2 points yan. Moreno. Si Moreno naman ang tumira. Pasok! 3 points! Change lead na tayo. 42-41. Lamang na po uli ang Penta Properties. Nanonood ang ating sponsor. Foul! And one! Napakaganda ng laban. Palitan. Number 23 of yellow foul. Second personal foul Basket's good. Substitution. Wala. Ay, yung black, blue black. Sampo na, Masigon. Pasok ulit, pasok! Yun na. Lumawang na uli ng dalawa. 44-42. Moreno, didiskarte uli ng 3. Wala. Carl, guarded na agad ng dalawa. Binitawan sa 3. Wala, kapos. Yan na. Yun. Nakuha ni 24. Wala. Rebound by Gonzalez, AJ. AJ nagmamadali. AJ, pinasa kay 35. Fake. Trouble. Napay-step. More than 2 step is traveling violation. Okay. Matira, sineset ang play. Pinasa kay Bonex. Bonex, to Bonex screen. Bonex, nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by Moreno. Bonex, nakuha ni Moreno. Moreno, nakuha ulit ni Bonex. Moreno, pinasa kay 35. 35, nabot ni JB. JB, hindi nakuha. Oy, number 97. Wala, 97 ulit. Pasok. Dibera, 2 points. Napakaganda, nag-iinit. Grabe na to. Nakaka-pause kayo. 24, wala. Rebound by Efren. Ayan na. Binababa ni Gonzalez ang bola. Pinasa kay Dibera. Dibera, pinasa kay JB. Nice sneaky moves. Pasok! 3 points. Lamang na po ng 3. Walang nasigaw sa kabila ng defense. Bonex. Asidera. Foul. 2 shots. Number 97. Everett. Second personal foul on the 15 foul penalty. Pasok. Pasok mo ng tira. Pasok. 45-47. Jumper tayo. Second throw. Jumper. Short. Rebound by Moreno. Moreno nagmamadali. Ruan Agasa. Tumatakbo na mabilis. Moreno. Binato na lang ang bola. Walang nakuha ang foul. Carl. 14. Carl. Pinasa sa loob. Save ball. Timeout. Yellow team. First time out yan. First time out. Black ball tayo. Black ball. Hindi nila alam kung saan nalulugar. Foul. Not count. Penalty. Nagulo. Okay, penalty. Foul number. Nawala sa last. Foul number, ref. Foul number, ref. Number 35 of yellow. Pasok. Unang tira, pasok. Second throw. Second throw, pasok ulit. Wala pa, wala. Okay. Second throw yan. Wala yung second throw. Isa lang pumasok ha. Official score, 47-46. I'm on. I'm busy. Play on tayo, play on. This is our last quarter. Sino kaya magwawagi? Asidera. Pinasa kay number 24. Liam Bang! 3 points! Maganda. Bumawi ng 3. Moreno ulit. Moreno. Moreno. Foul. Number 20 ulit. Ilan na? Si number 20. Fourth personal foul. Warning for disqualification. Number 20. 2 shots tayo. Pasok yan kay Moreno. Substitution. Mamaya pag pumasok ang bola. Substitution. 24. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Efren. Efren. Zigzagging move. Efren ulit. Efren. Foul. Hindi na itira. Pushing foul by number 24 daw. Matira. First personal foul. Matira. 18 on the shot clock. Wiro. Pinasa kay JB. JB. Napakaganda naman nun. Ginole. Wiro. Wiro. Pasa ulit kay JB. Wala ka, boss. Ang ganda ng laban. All 49. Lamang magkabila. Bonex. Pass to 24. Liam uli. Nag-try mag-tres. Nag-fake. Dumberecho. Wala. Rebound by Moreno ang nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by number 24. Dalawa versus isa. Wala. Pinilit. Asedera. Number 14. 14. Pinasa kay Liam. Pasok yan! Lamang na po ang kalaban. The score is 51-49. Wiro. Oops, muntik na mawala ang bola. Ayan na, Asidera. Wala pa rin. Naubos ang tangke. Ayan na, Asidera uli. Asidera, nahuli ang pasa. Same ball, 19. On the shot clock. Kapit kayo, kapit! Bonex, kumuha ng bola. Pinasa kay Liam, nag-iinit. Pinasa kay Carl. Pinasa kay Bonex. Liam muli. Wala. Rebound by Moreno. Pinasa kay Efren. Efren, pinasa kay JB. JB, pumasok sa loob. Ginamitan ng magandang side step. Pasok yun. Lamang na magkabila. All 51. Sino ang magwawagi? Sa Winter Cup Finals ng 2025. Bonex. Wow. Napawoy. Foul sa ilalim. Wiro. Foul.
9 seconds remaining in the shot clock.
Second personal foul. Sideline tayo. Sideline.
8 seconds to shoot.
Baseline. Okay. 24. Madera. Pinasa kay Asidera. Asidera number 14. Umahanap ng screen. Wala daw nakat. Pinasa kay Bonex. Bonex. Pumasok sa loob. Foul. Who's foul rep? 97. 97. Second personal foul by Efren. 2 shots tayo. Third personal foul, Efren. Third. 7 minutes and 23 seconds on the last quarter. Pasok, unang tira. Dikit din yung laban sa kabila. Pasok! Score! 53-51. Lumamang na uli. Ang first one migration, napakatindi. Ito na, malapit na. Moreno. Nagtitimon si Moreno. Moreno, guarded by 24. Pinasa kay Efren. Efren, foul! Sa baba daw. Naririnig ko na ang torotot. Foul number 24. Second personal foul by Matula. Wiro. Pinasa kay Yana. Foul. Wala. 24 uli. 2 shots tayo. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Yun. Umiingay na sa kabila. May sumuporta na kay first one migration. Wala ba mag-iingay dyan sa Penta Properties? Okay, 2 shots tayo. Parang sa kabila nakasupport na. Woo! Okay. Last throw, last throw. Wala rin. Yun ang gamit ng Torotot. Bonex. Pinasa kay Sedera number 14. Takes a long 3. Abang! Pasok. 3 points. Lalang na ng 5. Oy! Interception. Oy! Last touch daw yung dilaw.
Timeout.
Okay.
We are in tie score.
56-51. Bonex nagtitimon. Pinasa kay 24. Pinasa kay Asidera ulit. Umikot ng umikot. Gustong pumasok. Pinasa sa loob. Wala. Yellow ball. Kitang-kita. Yellow ball. Time remaining 4:45 on the last and final quarter. Sino magwawagi? JB. Pinasa kay De Vera. Pumasok sa loob. Umikot. Wala. Foul. Nahuli sa mukha. Moreno. Number 12. Foul. Moreno. Warning for disqualification. Fourth personal foul. Okay, yan na. Number 24. Pinasa kay Sidera for 3 again. Bang! Umuulan ng 3. Umabante na. Hindi papayag si Moreno. Pinilit ni Moreno. Nawala ang play nila. Inuubos na ang oras ni Bonex. Using the time. 14 on the shot na. Pinasa uli kay Sedera for 3. Wala na. Yan na. Efren. Yawn. 2 points yawn. Score 59-53. Di makita ang score. Bonex. Foul. Sa baba. 2 shots now. Foul number 23 foul. 2 shots now, sabi ni ref. 2 shots, 23 foul. Number 23, third personal foul, third. Pasok uli kay Bonex. Substitution. Okay, clock on tayo. Dalawa pa. Okay. Time out! First round migration. Last 2 minutes. Tigisa pang timeout kayo. Tigisang timeout. Malapit lang yan. 61-53.
Yes. I think that was a better game.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Ito na ang last 2 minutes. Back to the ball game na tayo, guys. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Okay, clock on tayo. Foul! Patay. 35 foul. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty rep. Okay, penalty na tayo. Talagang defending champion ata. Pero hindi babayag ang team Penta niyan. May oras pa. Pasok! Unang tira ni Bonex. Okay, second throw. Rebound tayo, rebound. Walang kakaba-kaba. 63-53, 10 lang yan. 2 minutes pa. Pass to number 35. Moreno. Moreno takes a long 3. Wala. 1:44. Tao-tao na to. Bonex. Guarded by marami. Carl. Nako. Sa baba, penalty. 35, penalty. Wala ang unang tira. Number 35, third personal foul. Wala ulit. Nakakuha niya ulit ang bola. Nakatulog ang dilaw. 1:33. Mahaba pa ang oras. Bonex, pinasa kay 24. Pinasa kay Liam, pinasa kay Carl. Pasok! Umabante na ng kalamangan. 65-53. JB! Hey! 3 points! 65-56. Ayan na. Last 1 minute. Pinasa kay Mantilla. Inubos ang oras. Chris! Pinasa ka ulit. 2 points yan! The score is 67-56. Marami pang oras. JB hindi na suko. JB! Tumira ng 3. Wala! Carl! Dinala na. 58 seconds na ang remaining time. Walang susuko. Walang susuko. Bonex. 14 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Kinatawaan ni Rivera. Pasok yan! Okay, 67. 10 lang. 11. 9. 40 seconds remaining time. Nakuha pa. Wala, 24. Pinasa kay Sidera. Ginamit ang time. Sidera. Pinasa kay 24. 30 seconds. 13 on the shot clock. 9. 7 on the shot clock. 6. 3 for 3. Bang! Yan, JB! JB! Tinira pa ng 3! Pasok! Pasok! Tinira ng 3! Pasok! Pasok yan! Okay. Official score! Congratulations to team! First one by Grayson! Official score 70-61!